Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Pardon the hair there. We are out here wrapping up the 2016 Ram 2500. We've done so much stuff to it to get it back into its glory. But these are ugly. And they're not bright. So, we're going to swap them out with LEDs. I'm going to show you how to swap out the 3 real quick. Before we get started, smash the subscribe button. Check over the channel for tons of how-to videos on just about everything automotive. So, if you guys don't have these yet, get them. I'll link some down below. They're cheap. This is how you get stuff out. Don't use a small flat-bladed screwdriver because it's going to jack stuff up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if I didn't already say that. I'm tired. I put about 50 some hours into this every day. And it is looking dang good. So, first things first, pride point. Corners here. You're going to pop this out with this bad boy. Once you get started, you can just slide this pig out to have access to those bulbs. Now, those are vestoon bulbs, and they get hotter than a blister. So, make sure you have a pair of gloves on or a terry cloth towel or something to snag that bad boy out of there because it will burn your fingers, and we don't want that. So, while you're in there, you can see this hazing. Go ahead and clean that crap out. There's no sense putting trash on or new stuff on top of trash. So we're going to clean that out real quick, and we're going to put a vestoon bulb in there. Now, I'm going to link these down below. These are the ones I like to use. They're cheap, and they work really good. And they put off a butt ton of light. So, again, that's hot. I was wearing these gloves, woo, and they was melting the rubber. So, always be careful of that. So we're going to snap this bad boy in there and put this one up, show you the light. Now look how much light that puts off. So we're going to put this back up in there. Now don't worry, this does get a little flimsy. This little hinge on the actual light actually is what helps clip it in. So we're going to snap this bad boy and get to the front ones. Now remember how much light that thing put off. Garbage trash. That's a nice. Now if the vestoon bulb, if you pick a different one and it's a little bit slim, as long as it's the same size, you can pinch the copper electrodes and snap that bad boy in. So now we're in the front. I want to show you real quick. So on these dome lamps, it's going to take a little finesse unless you got baby fingers. So I already swapped one out, and I'll show you why I like this one specifically. I'll link it down below because it emits light on both sides plus down. My typical 194, I like it to be just covered, but then it really designates the light to just the one area, and we want to use this chrome area. So you don't have to replace this whole dang piece if you've seen other videos. So, and you don't have to pry into here and remove this whole piece, okay guys? There is a hinge right here. You can see these two little squares. That's where you're going to pry with this little tool, and basically you're just going to kind of stretch it and pop it down. Now it's hard to reach in and grab this 194 bulb, so we used a farm boy trick. Needle nose pliers wrapped with electrical tape, just enough to grip and squeeze and pull that bad boy out. Unless you got tiny fingers, then you can snag it, but this makes it so you don't crush the bulb and pull it out because my fingers are just way too big to get in there. So, and then once you get that light changed and you get the cover fixed, you're going to put the bottom piece back in first in that little clip. Then you're going to snap it up in there. And then more than likely it's off because it needs to reset. So you can see the two different light modes we got there. So, pry point here and here. It'll drop down, pull the tab out the front, swap the LED bulb out. And then again, this one I like because specifically it does this for dome lamps. It covers all of the shiny area in there plus down. So it really illuminates nicely and it puts off way better crisp light than that bad boy. So that's all there is to it, guys. So another little tip trick, and these bulbs and everything will be linked below because we did the back and the fronts. And now you have that nice lit up interior that you always wanted. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.